Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5-minute scalping strategy for forex, stocks, crypto. It doesn't matter and it works on all time frame. Okay, so first you need Hull Suite indicator. So it's this one by In Silico. So I use default settings. Okay, default, don't change anything. And then you need donchian trend ribbon by Lonesome here. And the setting is setting is 30. Okay, and then you need 200 EMA, so it's this one. Okay, 200 EMA. Okay, so for sell, you want the price to be below 200 EMA and the Hull Suite to turn red from green, and you want a donchian trend ribbon to be green. Okay, so this is a valid signal. Okay, it turns red here below 200 EMA and the donchian is green. So your stop loss is last swing high, and you can target 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 2. So why are we not entering the trade when the donchian is red? Because we don't want to be lag. Okay, so you don't want to enter here like at the bottom here. So I see most YouTubers do that, and don't do that. You know, you will lose money for sure. Okay, and okay, here another one. It turns red, and the price below 200 EMA, and the donchian is green. Okay, it's a valid entry. Okay, stop loss right there, and you can target 1 to 2. And did we get that? Yeah, we get that. Okay, so another one here. Okay, is a valid entry. Target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1, whatever. Okay, so we didn't get that one, so yeah, I think we got that one. Yeah, we got that one. Okay, so stop loss is here. Yeah, we got this one, 1 to 2. And all right, so another one here, price below 200 EMA. So obviously this is a cherry pick example, you know. Okay, stop loss right there. Donchian is green, price below 200 EMA, so you get this 1 to 2. All right. So here we have another one, and donchian is green below 200 EMA. So if you see like this, I personally would not take this signal. Why? Because the stop loss is too huge. Okay, so although we have a huge win right here, I would not take this because the stop loss is too big. Okay, so if you want to take this, what I do is I actually wait for the price to retrace. Okay, if let's say you have a signal and the price retrace and the Hull Suite is still red, so it's still valid signal. Okay, so your stop loss is smaller. All right. Okay, for buy it's the opposite. So you want the price to be above the 200 EMA, and you want the donchian to be red. Okay, so you have a buy signal here, so you can take this. Okay, you take this, and the stop loss is there. Target 1 to 2. All right, 1 to 2. So here we have another one. Price above 200 EMA, and donchian is red, so you can target 1 to 2. Okay, so here's another one. Oops, sorry. Okay, here's another one. So okay, for this one is I personally would not take this. Okay, because the stop loss is too big. It's too far away. Although we get a huge win here. Okay, so you get like 1 to 2 here. Yeah, you get that. And we have another one. Okay, just slightly below that. So we got that one as well. Okay, so that's it. So if you like the video, please subscribe and comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Okay, thanks.